Catalyst is a cloud-based technology that builds public health capacity and establishes new expectations for performance. Technology often introduces a new pathway for growth and improvement in a way the status quo does not expect. Catalyst is this kind of technological innovation for public health program management and evaluation. Catalyst builds inherent program evaluation capacity through interconnected parts in the cloud, including logic models, action plans, evaluation plans, strategic or state plans, progress reports, file sharing, contract management for contract clearance and payment tracking, vendor management, policy monitoring for tracking policy initiatives, and information exchange, which facilitates interoperability and sharing within the system, along with linking Catalyst to other state and federal information systems. Finally, Catalyst includes a singular solution for patient navigation and CDC databases for breast and cervical, colorectal cancer, and wise woman. Catalyst includes data warehousing, such as integrated registries that communicate with electronic health record systems, which then feed into the information exchange component for internal synthesis or sharing with other exchanges. Catalyst is a system and a method for linking and evaluating one or more of these components. Like in chemistry, a catalyst is something that causes or accelerates a reaction without itself being affected. Similarly, catalyst facilitates a reaction between inputs, such as those listed below, and produces outcomes like enhanced capacity, collaboration, evidence-based decision-making, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness, all without itself being affected. In a typical public health environment, crucial management and evaluation objects float around independently with minimal connections, often in a scattered and sometimes disjointed manner. The environment is complicated further when multiple programs or initiatives dot the landscape. Coordination is often limited to a program champion working hard to make a connection between collaborative players. As connections are made, the champion is eventually overwhelmed to find that the real collaborative potential is exponentially larger than the capacity to manage it. But what if there was something better? What if there was a system that could strategically arrange these objects in a way that increases manageability, documents program evaluation as part of everyday use of the systems, and encourages evidence-based decision-making? A system that could link a program with a logic model, action plan, evaluation plan, strategic plan, and progress report, and facilitate a coordinated reaction not only within the program, but between all objects between all programs. That is exactly what Catalyst does. It leverages the existing power within objects and work process in a public health program and produces a coordinated engine that catapults users well beyond prior standards of collaborative performance. Similarly, Catalyst takes CDC program databases or extant third-party databases and facilitates an information exchange between the databases. Catalyst's patient navigation components communicates with all databases, ensuring quality care and preventing loss through cracks that often exist between standalone databases. Catalyst Data Warehouse component facilitates the communication with external systems such as electronic health records in providers' offices and provides a single registry point of analysis to keep decision makers' fingers on the pulse of health trends as they happen. The information exchange component ensures pertinent information that can inform other parts of the Catalyst system is readily available. Catalyst is web-based, which provides the opportunity for cloud-based file sharing. The system aligns vendor lists and contact information, which can be linked to a singular contract management system, where contracts are cleared, vendors are linked to contracts, invoices and services are billed against funding sources, and staff can track fund balances to help maintain a perfect financial status report. Finally, policy monitoring allows you to track policy initiatives throughout their life cycles across programs and across settings. The best part is that Catalyst is infinitely scalable, so that as you add programs and databases, they merge seamlessly into your existing solution. Components are integrated into a singular system that doesn't create burden for staff through a new layer of requirements, but one that links to all working parts of the Catalyst system and draws quality improvement data from objects that staff are using every day. Catalyst contains 3 cloud-based modules that are accessed over the internet through your web browser. The first module is Planning and Evaluation, which is the keystone for the built-in collaborative evaluation capacity that defines the system. The module includes interrelated logic models, action plans, evaluation plans, strategic plans, and progress reports both within program and between multiple programs. In the Management module, you have file sharing, contract, clearance and vendor management, and policy monitoring. Finally, you have the Database module that has patient navigation across CDC program databases, including the CDC's databases themselves, data warehousing, which includes linking electronic health records and building a common registry from extant sources, and an information exchange both within the system and the ability to link to external sources if necessary. The Databases modules include the ability for payment processing and tracking as it is billed against funding sources. Catalyst is supported through annual licenses with unlimited user accounts that you can assign to your staff or external contractors. No installation is required because it is a cloud-based service that is hosted in state-of-the-art data centers. Customization of your solution and technical support is included, so you don't have to worry about new software development costs in the future. Collective innovation from all Catalyst users ensures dissemination of best practices as they are learned throughout the country. And it grows with you. Each component interlocks, so as you add different pieces, they merge seamlessly with the collective whole. For example, you can start with action plans and slowly add evaluation plans, logic models, state plans, and progress reports at a later date. In fact, you can select any combination of components that fit your needs while maintaining confidence that your collaborative evaluation and management infrastructure is designed to be robust and scalable. Catalyst will be ready to expand when you are. In fact, we guarantee activation within 30 days of licensing for most components of our system to any scale that you request. You can learn more about our pricing and features included in Catalyst licensing by visiting shpr.com. Step up to a new capacity in coordinated public health and license Catalyst today. It will yield collaborative evaluation, program management, and evidence-based decision-making, all by way of the effective use of this technological innovation in the field of public health.